Hello, everybody. My name is Cal Sinez, and this is for the business called Cal's Market Company for remote learning. Right now, we're doing Solidworks. As you can see, we're doing 2021 version on the software. If you have an older models, any other the newer versions, which is the 22 to 23, or if it's the older models, which is from the 2020 to 2019, don't worry. All of the features and tools is always the same thing. It's just that they keep updating it every now and then and upgrading because of the how they change the programming. But then every feature has to be updated every now and then. So right now, what we're going to discuss through right now into this SolidWorks software is basically the training and basically know your tools and features. That's the only one. And not that in the future, right now, we're going to show you how to use your mouse and keyboards and also the keynotes. Basically, both of them will be the same thing. So if you have a laptop, you have to get a mouse because it'll be much more functional rather than using the the touchpad onto your laptop because it's gonna be more challenging with it without the mouse. So I recommend getting a mouse with a wired mouse or a wireless Bluetooth connection mouse. And another thing too, if you have a PC, if it does have a mouse, that's good. That one you learn a little more training towards this SolidWorks. So as of right now, all the keyboards, everything else is always the same thing. It's just that later on in the future, you might learn a little more, a few tricks and few tricks and hints here and there. But at the same time, it's basically about understanding how to use the tools, understand how to use these functions, and basically what level you're in. So I know that if you're in a high school area, it might be a little more struggling and a little more challenging because we'll give you guys the easy steps first. So that way you have to understand how SolidWorks works. Because it's not just basically just taking this training right now. You are being um, you are assigned to this class course. That's the reason. This is no longer a high school situation. This is what it looks like in the working field that you have to understand. If you're in a college or a higher level area or a side outside customers individually, this one, if you want to refresh your memory and try and get more training a little more further ahead with SolidWorks, this is the only way to actually get your mind refreshed over the tools, over the functions, how you use it. And later on in the future, we'll get to the advanced and much more difficult area. So that one will show you guys later on in the future right now. So as of right now, we're going to break down to these segments here and there with SolidWorks. And that way, we're just basically doing the introduction. That's it, with the tools, features, and how you use the other functions. That's it. And not that from there, later on in the future, we might want to do the components and parts a little more advanced, how to use the blueprint, and not that finally, how to use the assembly process area. So as of right now, welcome to the SolidWorks software as of right now. And that later on, the other components, we might learn a little more toward Inventor Professional, Fusion 360. But as of right now, let's go do SolidWorks right now. And so that way we'll continue working on with the other functions. Okay. And that is all I have for now for this SolidWorks. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below. So that way we'll get to you right away and answer as much as we can. But as of this time, we'll do as much as we can to actually make this process easier for you. Okay? And that is all for me to say. And that good luck on your side and make sure you be serious on this work. And after that, you'll make it through this all works. That's it. And you'll have the knowledge and the skills to actually get to know this on hand. Okay. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.